Welcome to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to remove background from any image using Canva. Now, let's begin. Open Canva if you already have not and create a design. For now, I already have a design, so I simply open it. Simply click on the image and on the top left side, you will find something called as Edit Photo. Click on it and a new tab will open showing the different features available by Magic Studio. In here we can see something like Busy Remover. Well, this is a premium feature of Canva Pro. To use the background remover, you can simply upgrade to Canva Pro and remove the background. You can also try it free for 30 days. Well guys, that's it for the video. For more informational content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.